Welcome to Festive Phrases from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Mark, and each day of December I'm bringing you a festive phrase in a different language. Today I'm with Gabriella because we're learning Swedish.
Hej, jag heter Gabriella. Hur mår du då, Mark?
Jag mår jättebra, tack. I'm very well, thanks, Gabriella. Swedish is spoken in Sweden, and it's also spoken in parts of Finland. Swedish is very closely related to Norwegian and Danish, and you'll see this when you hear today's phrase. Now, this is day 13 in our Festive Phrases series, and this is an important day in Sweden because it's the day of St. Lucia. In many Swedish towns and villages, and indeed in Swedish schools, a girl is chosen to play St. Lucia in a procession, and she wears candles in her hair. Normally electric candles are used for safety. Everyone sings Christmas carols and eats special ginger biscuits, which are traditional for this time of year. Okay, let's learn our Swedish phrase. Gabriella, can you tell us how you would say Happy Christmas in Swedish?
God jul.
Okay, so let's hear that a little more slowly, please.
God jul.
And you're probably thinking that sounds very similar to Norwegian and Danish. Let's hear Norwegian again from Dag.
God jul.
And in Danish it was?
God jul.
Thanks, Karin. And now Swedish. Gabriella, can we hear this one more time, please?
God jul.
So Swedish, Norwegian and Danish all sound very similar. They're very closely related. If you like, they're brothers and sisters in a family of languages. Okay, let's add our Swedish speakers to the map. There are over 8 million Swedish speakers in the world, and if we add them to the speakers of the other languages we've already learned, we can now send a festive greeting to 1,669,809,019 people around the world. That's all for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with another language in our Festive Phrases series. In the meantime, thank you and goodbye.
Tack och hej då.
Festive Phrases is brought to you by the Radiolingua Network. If you would like to find out more about learning a language anytime, anywhere with Radiolingua, please visit our website on radiolingua.com. To find out about our workshops and products for schools, please visit radiolinguaschools.com.